OMA, your lightweight and portable between trainer, designed to increase your endurance, long performance, and improve your overall well-being in under 10 minutes a day. OMA combines a healthy breathing habit with a perfectly balanced user experience and AI-powered technology with a stunning space-inspired athletics. OMA's gradient resistance system guides you through a resistance level based on your goals, from general well-being to athletic improvement. Nothing should hold you back from strengthening your breathing experience. That's why a slight recess in the center makes it easy to switch between the resistance level, even if the deck for people with low muscle tone and if you have a compromised fine motor skills. AutoZone offers safety and peace of mind by eliminating distraction and reporting on unsafe driving and making it easy for new drivers to build safe habits. You can use Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa to text or make calls or more. It can also automatically join Zoom or team meetings without having to get your eyes off the road. No matter what car you are driving in, AutoZone brings quick help to old and new vehicles. All you have to do is a quick pair to your Apple or Android devices, and that's all. IVY cables is designed to solve these common charging cable issues with magnetic section and built-in batteries. It's an auto-folding charging cable and a power bank with a power storage system. Say goodbye to uneasy cables and bulky power banks. IVY Cables is here to free your hands and simply your life. IVY Cables is instantly organized itself as the magnetic section joined together into a neat compact shape. It automatically recharges itself while being used. It has a capacity of 3200 mega. Click Nexi clock. The clock displays the time digit by digit. First the hour, then the minute, then the whole cycle is repeated using fade in or out effect and different table backlight colors for hours and different for minutes. Time reading is clear and simple. As shown in the diagram below, the clock consists of several interconnected modules. Inside the main module is a RTC module for accurate timekeeping. You can easily connect your smartphone. Chop Chunks is a seriously fun toy. They are miniature skill toys that combine three of the top tier martial arts workouts in one form package. Technique borrowed from the big ray breads and a bell sun manipulation and pen spinning enable your miniature tricks. It's suitable for anyone. The basic level is simple. Once you get the hang of it, you will get creative and start inventing your own unique tricks. Most needed tools are now combined in a belt, but the main part of the belt is the buckle, since it stores all the tools, starting with the real sharp stainless steel blade, and there is a built in the bottle upper by the side where you are ready to rest and cook some food. Just pull out the ingrate fire starter. It also includes cool LED flashlight that will light up your day in the dark. Chakram is an electric high adjustable desk that can fit any of your current and future needs. It's suitable and easy to control with a wide range. It's smooth, quiet, and comfortable. It lifts up is over 32 IMB. It ensures it can support plenty of hardware for your full deck setup with a biometric fingerprint drawer. AudioZil filter is a AI-based microphone circuit that is been trained to identify and completely eliminate over 500 noise samples. Using AI on the edge technology filter noise cancellation, all the gain are built into a hardware, so you don't have to configure virtual sound cards or app settings. Just connect filter and start call or Zoom meetings. Zip charge. A smart charger on wheels, no bigger than a compatible suitcase, that is designed to simply affordability and appeal. You can charge anywhere at any time. It's a quick charge of between 30 to 60 minutes. It provides 20 to 40 miles of range depending on the capacity and vehicle, sufficient for everyday needs and enough for the average community. Cableless. The world first is in the wired and the wireless. First charging cable that allows you to charge pretty much every device you have with only one cable. With this liberty to switch between charging devices simplicity and at will, 2-in-1 design is charge any and charges any type of phone device, iOS or Android or laptop.